Every year, I set one day aside just for cobia fishing only. Today is the day. The wind will be okay until 2:30 p.m., so I am in a hurry. Here's my plan. First, catch 15 baitfish. Find a good anchoring spot for possible cobia and plenty of baitfish, and with least boat traffic. For cobia fishing details, please refer to my video titled Cobia Fishing Instruction for Kayak Anglers, Virginia. This video includes everything about live lining for cobia for kayakers and boaters. After catching 15 baitfish, I searched for a good anchoring spot for good cobia traffic. I found a slight drop-off with plenty of baitfish for anchoring. I anchored in 14 feet of water, 200 yards away from the channel. For the best hookup ratio above 80%, when using spot, croaker, and southern kingfish, I put the hook between the dorsal and tail fins. After anchoring the kayak, I put out 2 live bait suspended under the bobbers. While waiting for a big strike, I kept catching baitfish. Bluefish and sharks came by.
Oh, it's a shark. Son of a...
I had a very close call with a shark in the past. I don't mess with sharks.
Small cobia. Yeah, small one. I told you. Easy, easy boy. Easy boy, easy boy. Small ones, but hey, cobia is cobia. Okay. The first cobia of the year. Easy, easy. Cobia is cobia. Bye bye. Second cobia.
The wind picked up. Thanks for watching. Happy fishing. Enjoy life.